Hello everyone, today we talk about free VPN on the PC. So let's get started. First go to your Chrome and go to the website called Get Into the PC. So I click on the website that I just and search and click on the search button and type VPN. Click go. And again try pre-VPN. Yes, and you can see there are there's many free VPN, but for me you can try one of this, or you can try one by one. Okay, but for me I think Proton free VPN is very good for me, and I also try this VPN Planet. Yes, secure free Planet VPN it may be good for you, but notice that in this moment it's really free and work properly and work very good for me, but in the future they will charge you and maybe not available for free. So I think you should try it now. Yes, you can download it and install. Now you go to the free VPN that I download. I download many free VPN. As yes, in this folder VPN, yeah, I downloaded Avira, Phantom, NordVPN, Proton, Shipon, and Planet. So I try Proton VPN. It's very good, so I can example for you. Yes, you can see this is Proton VPN, and you can connect to multi free country, and I think this is the perfect one for free. Remember, the free is not good as the VPN that you paid. So you can see this is connect automatically to the Netherlands. So I change to United States to my profile that I created, and you can see you can choose country many as you want. You can connect and very fast. You connect very fast and very smoothly. And this is gonna the connect that I just create my profile United States. You can connect very fast or connect random. You can connect, choose your country that you want, and you United Kingdom or New York. United Kingdom or United States. You can try. Yes, you can see there are a lot of niche, and I think very good. So today I have, so make sure you just subscribe, like my video please. Thank you, goodbye, and see you the next one.